everybody, welcome to another HPR product review. I'm Scott.
And I'm Sam.
And today I'm really excited. You know why?
Why?
We're talking trash today.
Oh, I love to talk trash.
You talk trash all the time. But do you know what's better than talking trash?
What is better?
A trash can.
Ooh, the right one is good.
That's right. And not just any trash can, it's this trash can. This is the SONGMICS Trash Can 2x8 gallon garbage can for your kitchen. It has 2 compartments, plastic inner buckets, and hinged lids. And the one I have here is the almond color because it fits the design palette of my kitchen. Mine also came with 15 trash bags as well. So why am I so excited to tell you about this trash can? Well, first and foremost, it really does look great. I had just a regular chrome looking, it was nice, it was a modern style trash can before, but it kind of stuck out like a sore thumb. We ended up getting this thing, putting it in there, and it kind of just blends in, doesn't stick out anymore. And if you do look at it, it really looks great. It's got handles on the side, so if you want to move it from one place to another, it's really easy. It's got the foot pedals to open up the trash lids, so you don't have to touch it with your hands. And while both of these cans are 8 gallon, I actually use 13 gallon bags because they hold more, obviously, and they still fit in there, so it's great. Now, I do want to point out a couple of things. Both buckets actually come with a convenient, they say, metal handle so that you can lift them out easily. Well, I ended up removing those metal handles because honestly, it just kept ripping my garbage bags when I pulled them out. So I just removed them, and it's totally cool. There's also a carton on the bottom that holds the 2 cans, the 2 buckets in place. You likely don't need that. I actually kind of like it just because it makes me put it in correctly and it sits nicely and it doesn't move. So I actually just left it in there. Another great thing about this is that if your garbage bag does bust open for whatever reason inside these bins, they're really easy to clean. We have had that happen, and we just take it outside and sprayed it out with a hose, wiped it down, put it back in, and it was completely fine. But we've had this thing for nearly a year now, and it still looks brand new, and I am very, very, very happy about it. My wife actually, not joking, still comments on this trash can how much she loves it. So do yourself a favor, go out and get yourself one of these things because they are great. So there you have it. We highly recommend, or at least I do, highly recommend this trash can. It looks great, it works great, and my wife loves me more. So go out and get it.
Okay, we'll see you next time on
HPR Product Reviews.
HPR.